Honestly, I don't undermine any political party. Politics is local. No matter what analysis, argument we might be making in our studio here. At the end of the day, people down here, wherever, whether it's in Anambra or in Kano or wherever, will be asking who is this candidate on the ballot paper. I'm talking about who is the senator, who is the House of Reps, and so on and so forth. And their reason to vote for that person might be determined by another factor. All right? But for the records, 80 to 90% of National Assembly members today are of PDP ticket. In fact, in some states, like Enugu State, since the inception of this Third Republic, no other elective position has been produced in Enugu State, if not a PDP, from councillorship, from 1999 up to date. So we would not be surprised if the recent developments will affect that trend. But to what extent? To some voters who are rural, they might have in mind to vote Mr. A or Mr. B, and then they will only get to the polling booth, and the only thing they will remember is the umbrella. All right? So in Anambra State, before now, what is very, very known for voters is that umbrella or cocoa. You know, that is the Abga logo. The other people might have the desire, they might have the emotion and sentiments all over, but they have to do a lot of work to even explain to the people what their logo is. But my consolation is that it will not, the candidate that dominates a particular region, a particular state, will not be the candidate that will win this election. It will be a candidate that has a spread around the nation. Because if we cast our mind back to 1979 election, where we had the great Zeke, who would always win the Southeast, almost 90-something percent, and we had the legendary Awo, who would always the Southwest, dominantly over 90%, those people would never win that election. And they will recall that's national election. And they recall in 1979, you had Shehu Shagari of MPN. Even Shehu Shagari, coming from the north, did not even have 25% in Kano, because he had Aminu Kano to deal with in PRP. And then he had Waziri to deal with in Borono, in other political party. So, but he was able to get a little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit there. And at the end of the day, still scored. You know, the total votes scored by Nnamdi Azikiwe and Awo were less than half the vote which Shehu Shagari got. So this should not be a victory for a party that has a dominant regional acceptance. It should be a party that has a national widespread. And that is a PDP. That is one party that can boast of that.